Hello, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Art of Trading. So this is just a video on the confirmation and a detailed explanation of my sell call, that is Amaraj battery sell call. So I had given sell in my free Telegram channel around 11:15. As you can see, the sell was at 747.55, okay, with the strict stop loss. So before this was the point from where I had given the sell, okay. So how do you one will get to know that from this point Amraj battery will reverse, okay? How will one know? So that is the beauty of price action. So before that, one should know what are the support and resistance. So these are all the support and resistance lines, the black lines and all I have drawn, and this is the trend line, the channel which I have drawn, trend line. So as you can see here, this is the trend line which I have drawn, okay, and this is the small channel I have drawn. So as you can see here, Amaraj battery multiple number of times it's reversed from this point, 1 2, and this is the third time that Amaraj battery had come at this level. So I decided to sell at this level. So I gave, so what made me to sell at this level, that's which is personal, and that is the beauty of price action. So one who knows price action strategy can predict market reversal. That's what I keep on telling. So one should predict, if one should predict the market reversal, one should know how to draw the channels. One has to check how many times the price has come and has been rejected at the dynamic supports and resistance. So this is the 1 2 3, this is the fourth time that the stock is coming at this point, and if you can see on the horizontal resistance also, it's been rejected multiple number of times at this level, okay. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 on horizontal support. Fifth time the Amaraj battery had come to this resistance level, and on the slanting trend line also, it was on the fourth time it was coming on the. So there were two confirmations on the horizontal resistance line as well as on the channel line. So there was a dynamic resistance formed over there. So that was the major confirmation one has to. So one, if one has to know all this, he has to have a knowledge of what is support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance accurately, okay. So anyone can just draw, but drawing support and resistance and finding dynamic support and resistance levels accurately is what matters. So anyone can just sell from here also, because there is a resistance over here. So one should know where is the dynamic resistance, okay. One should know where is the dynamic resistance. So that's what it matters. That's what I teach in my price action scalping strategy. So this is how first one has to check where the price is meeting, whether it is coming and intersecting at the dynamic support or normal dynamic support or resistance, or normal support and resistance. So that's what I did. I marked it. So I, at this level, I started to sell. So what made me to sell at this level, it's not just the resistance that, okay, if a price has reached some resistance, it's nothing like that you have to sell. What if it broke the resistance and it went the other way? So one has to know, because see, as you can see here, it was actually trading above the resistance. As you can see, it was trading above the resistance. The price here is trading above the resistance, so it might have gone on the upper side also. So so how did I give on the lower side? How did I say that the price will fall? So this is where the volume, the price action confirmations, the patterns will matter, okay. So just not that this hammer formed or shooting star formed, or a river inverted hammer again shooting star is formed. On the support area also, if these candles form, that it is a different story. So to learn all these secrets, okay, this is the basic secret. This is all it is. Price action scalping, it's not much complicated. You have to find the support and resistance, you have to find the dynamic support and resistance, the trend lines. So to find all this, you have to know how exactly to draw these things on the chart, okay. So it's, which is very most important. Slight mistakes in drawing the channel trend lines, that will be a different story and you will end up in loss, okay. So that's not it is. This is my experience of 5 years. So that's what I'm sharing here. So friends out there who want to learn this, so see, Hamraj battery is now again it is making low. Now it is trading at 742, okay. 742, my sell was given at 747, almost right now also Amaraj battery is in 5 to 6 points in profit, okay. So this is how one should predict the market, whether it is in a downtrend, how to draw the channels, how to draw the dynamic support and resistance level, how to find the confirmation on that level, whether it is going on the, either the buy side or the sell side. So this is that, it's simple to say. And actually in my class I make it very simple. I teach my students on live, on chats. My most of my classes are 90% practicals and only 10% theory. So it involves just 10% theory. So because practical, what it matters, the nerves what you require is in practical, in live. Doing paper trade is also fine, but what it matters when you are in live, okay. So that's what it matters. So see, Amaraj battery now making so 471, almost 7 points in profit now. So this is how one should predict the market reversals by price action scalping strategy, okay. That's it guys. This is what just a small explanation about my call which I had given in my free channel, as you can see here. So that's it. We'll catch you in the afternoon or in the evening with my nifty key level as usual, okay. Thank you, bye.